system with more rain later next week. Dana.
All right, thanks so much, Jess. Well, the Marion County Prosecutor's Office not going to file criminal charges against a Lawrence woman arrested for breaking the state's so-called 25-foot law. Hannah Adamson shows us several lawmakers say they're concerned the law infringes on Hoosiers' constitutional rights.
This is overkill.
State Senator Rodney Pohl says House Bill 1186 requires a person stay 25 feet away from a police investigation if asked to do so by law enforcement. He says several other states have struck down similar laws and anticipates Indiana will follow suit.
There's going to be some very good arguments, as it pertains to whether or not this will pass constitutional muster, and I think we'll find that out here shortly.
State Senator Lonnie M. Randolph says 25 feet is too far a distance for a phone camera to record incidents effectively, potentially impacting Hoosiers' First Amendment rights.
It's just a pretense to prevent people from exercising their rights that they have to videotape the conduct of a police officer.
This as the Marion County Prosecutor's Office has dropped the unlawful encroachment charge against Mary Nichols of Lawrence. A statement from the office reads in part, quote, "The probable cause affidavit submitted does not allege that Ms. Nichols interfered with a police investigation." The ACLU of Indiana's legal director says although Ms. Nichols' arrest will not play into its challenge of the law, a hearing is set for next week in federal court in the case of another individual he says was impacted by the law.
We have one person who submitted a declaration in our case in South Bend who was actually behind police tape and was told by two officers that was fine, but a third officer said, no, you have to move back.
And this comes as several media organizations, including our parent company, Nexstar Media Group, filed a lawsuit today against Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita. That lawsuit states the 25-foot rule infringes on the First and 14th Amendment rights. Our Indianapolis sister station reached out to the Attorney General's office for comment and received this response. Our job is to defend this law and all others passed on Hoosier values. We serve as attorneys defending the laws which are passed by the General Assembly and signed into law by the governor. We plan to vigorously defend this law in the exact same manner.